Yo, your kitchen setup is straight up mid if you don't have this. We're unboxing the Ninja French Door Premier, and it's literally a beast. Peep that French door design. It's an air fryer and convection oven with a massive capacity that's hella cracked. Cooking for the squad just became a major W. No cap, this is the most clutch upgrade for 2026. Smash that like button and subscribe to the Future Tech USA fam for more fire finds. Don't catch an L, join the crew. To cop this fire deal, it's super easy. Just copy the link in my bio and paste it into your Chrome browser. Link money. Grab it now before the price jumps.